it's a -7 this morning, and some people have questioned whether or not they should heat their chicken coop. We don't put any heat in ours other than the heated water because of the fact that these birds can acclimate to the cold weather and they get used to it. There's birds that live outside all winter long without any heat, so we don't put any heat in there. And the other reason is we had some friends that had a heat lamp in their chicken coop, which was attached to their barn, and it burned the barn down. A chicken must have knocked it down or something. So if you do use a heat lamp, make sure it's secured and not just clamped on or somehow where it could break or fall. So what we do to help the chickens out though is my wife makes some oatmeal on cold mornings like this. So let's see how they're doing. Hey girls. One treat. So we keep it closed off at night. We make sure we shut their little coop door, and you know, later today when the sun comes out they might want to come out. I guess that one's out. So we do have the heated water, and check that every day, make sure it's still working, still on. So I guess I gotta now. They're not too happy about the cold, but they'll get by. The other thing you got to be careful of when it's this cold is make sure you check your eggs several times a day, because they'll freeze solid and crack within an hour or two of them laying them. The last couple of days it's been so cold that I've had to throw out like 3 eggs. So, not that they don't lay a lot of eggs right now, because we don't have a light in the coop, so when it comes to the shorter days, their egg production really slows down. Maria's cold. My camera person's cold. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.